How to check backlinks on Google Search Console. Free and easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can search for your backlinks using the Google Search Console. So let's get into it. Now you don't need any fancy tools for keyword optimization, or you don't need any fancy tools to check the backlinks of your website. It's very simple and easy, and you can use Google Search Console to do it. Plus, Google Search Console is free for everyone to use, so you don't have to pay for anything. Now to get started, all you have to do is click on search.google.com and then /search console. Now once you've done that, you can click on Start Now over here. And once you click on Start Now, you can go on ahead and log on to your account. If you have already logged on to your Gmail account on your Chrome web or on your browser, then you don't even need to log on. You will simply be redirected to this page. Now you can see that you have two options. You can either search for a specific domain, or you can choose a URL prefix. So a lot of people wonder, is my Wix website a domain name or is it a URL prefix? So you're going to enter this in URL prefix. Why? Because it actually is wixsite.com's domain and it is a prefix of Wixsite. So once you have done that, you're going to download this file and you're going to click on over here. So you're just going to download this file. And after that, you're just going to go on ahead and upload this to your Wix website or to any of your websites. So I'm just going to click on Edit Site over here. And you just want to upload this code onto your website. That is it. That is all you need to do. This is just to verify that you are, checking the stats of your own website. They don't want other people to search other people's websites because that could lead to some issues. However, I will be discussing in the end of this video how you can check backlinks for other people's websites for free as well, and how you can do that with a simple Chrome extension. Now we're just waiting for our website to be loaded, and once your website has loaded, just add the HTML code to your website. So that is all you have to do. We're just going to wait for a couple of seconds because it does take a little bit of time to load up your website. So over here on our Wix website, we're just going to click on Add. And then on Add, you can click on Embed Code, and then you have Embed HTML. And we're just going to paste the HTML code over here. We're just going to open up our code that Google gave us, copy this, and you can just simply paste it over here and click on Update. And once you have updated your code, we're just going to wait for a couple of seconds for this to be added, and then you're going to click on Publish just to update those sites, just to update your website, and then you can just click on Visit Site over here. And this is like a very transparent code. You don't have to worry about anything, but I'm just going to go on ahead and click on Verify. Now you can see sometimes you might feel like you are not getting verification. So you can simply go on ahead and click on this meta code to get verified as well. So below that, I'm going to click on Copy, and you can copy the meta tag below and paste it onto your site's homepage. And it should be in the head section before the body section. Now, if you're uploading the HTML, you just have to upload it as it is. But let's say we just want to upload that as well because our verification has some issues. So you can go on ahead and take a look at the format. So that is a simple HTML tag. And we're going to click on Embed HTML. We're going to paste it over here, click on Update, and then we want to just add this to the top section. And now you can go on ahead and click on Publish, click on Done, and then you can just click on Verify. And for some reason, I'm facing a little bit of an issue with the verification process right now. But once you have completed your verification, then you can simply go on ahead and get the backlink checker. Now, I don't know why I'm facing this issue right now. However, it has worked for me in the past, and I have tried it out a few times, and it is pretty much good to go every time once you have embedded the code. Now, if you do face issues, Then for that purpose, as I told you guys in the start of this video, there is another method that you can use to search backlinks for free, and that is by using keywords everywhere. So what this is that this is a Chrome web extension. So just go into the Chrome web store, and you're just going to open up the Chrome web store, and over here you're going to type in keywords everywhere. Now, once you have searched for keywords everywhere, you will see this is the top results. It's by keywordseverywhere.com. Just open up this extension and then you're going to add this to your Chrome bar. Now, once you have added this and activated it, like I have activated it over here, I can search for any website and get the backlinks. So I can search any website's backlinks from this extension. Let's say I want to look at the backlinks for the top results on purses. So if I just search for purses over here and I scroll down, and you can see on the right side, I get all the keyword data. I have on-page difficulty, brand query, I have related keywords and people also search for, as well as trending keywords and long tail keywords from the specific query that I searched. Now for any kind of website over here, I can simply click on show backlinks, and this will show me all of the other websites that have linked to this specific website. And in this way, you can simplify the entire backlink checking process of your business. So you can click on show backlinks, and this will enable you to build your own backlinks even from competitors, because once you know who is linking to your competitor, you can go on ahead and reach out to those people and be like, hey, I want you to link to my website because, I'm providing a similar service or a similar item and you were recommending this item, so on and so forth. Now, Google Search Console is also an amazing platform. However, for domains and URL prefixes, you can do it for both, and you can get the domain rating, you can get all that information pretty much the same as keywords everywhere. Other than some of the more detailed keyword suggestions that it gives, you can get approximately the same info. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.